What's up YouTube, Ben Born here and welcome to another video of unboxing. So I just received the VILTROX 85 1.8 Fuji mount thanks to Photoplace. Please check them out on Instagram. They've got amazing deals. Anytime I want to buy gear, I contact them and they help me get it as soon as possible. So shout outs to Photoplace. Now first of all, I was planning to get the Fuji 90mm f2 and I heard about the VILTROX 85 1.8. It seems to be getting amazing reviews on YouTube, and a friend of mine has one and I tested it out. It was amazing. I was blown away with the quality and even the autofocus, how fast it is. So I decided to get one for myself. 85mm on a 1.5 crop camera is about 127mm, which is close to 135, which I'm happy about it because 135mm is my favorite millimeter for portrait. So I'm really happy to have this in my hand, and I'll do a quick unboxing for you guys to see. The other reason why I got this lens is because it's like half the price of the Fujifilm 90mm f2 that I was planning to get. Hopefully in future I'll get the 90mm f2. So let me quickly unbox it so that you guys will see how nice and sweet this lens is. Alright, so this is it. This is the lens pouch. Warranty card. And then the manual. So this is it. VILTROX 85 1.8 Fuji mount. I think there was a manual version. The first one was a manual version, and then they decided to do the autofocus version, which is awesome. So this is it. Look at the glass. So much glass. And then this is the lens hood. Okay, so red to red. Yeah. So let me put this here. Really looks solid. I love it already. Yeah, so the other thing is that VILTROX people release firmware updates to update it from time to time. So this is where you connect your USB, and it's actually really easy to update. You connect the USB to the lens and then connect it to your laptop. It doesn't matter whether Windows or Mac. And then you go to their website, VILTROX website, and then you download the current version of the firmware update. And then when you connect the lens to the laptop, it appears as like a pen drive. And so you just drag the file onto you open the USB drive, and then you just drag the file onto it, and that's it. It will update by itself. So this is it, and I'm really happy to get this lens. I'll be doing some natural light portrait with it, and also do some strobing with it, studio shoots and all of that for you guys to see. And also I'll be sharing some of the raw files just so you guys can, you know, check out the files and see how sharp this lens is. Yes, so this is it, the VILTROX 85 1.8. As I said earlier on, the initial plan was to get the Fujifilm 90mm f2, and looking at the price of this lens and the quality it can give, I decided to get this one instead. And I mean, hopefully maybe in future I would get the 90mm, but for now this is perfect for me as a portrait photographer. Stay tuned and thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one.